Aside from crochet hooks, there are a few other tools we mentioned earlier that can really enhance your crocheting experience. Scissors are necessary for cutting yarn and trimming loose ends. Opt for small, sharp scissors that feel comfortable in your hand when choosing a pair. Investing in a quality pair of crafting scissors will ensure you get clean cuts every time. Sewing needles are perfect for weaving in those pesky loose ends and seaming your pieces together, so it's wise to keep a few different sizes available to match your yarn. Stitch markers are also handy for keeping track of important points in your work. If you don't have any on hand, you can easily use scrap yarn or paper clips as substitutes. Keep in mind that these tools are just as essential as your crochet hook. They play a crucial role in helping you successfully complete your projects. Head on over to the next section where we will learn about the different types of yarn,